We just got this Galaxy projector by Rosetta, and I'm so excited. We do have a few of their products, but this one not only projects the galaxy, it also projects the stars. So you have two different features up at the top. This is where you're going to project those northern lights. You can do it on your wall, onto a ceiling. Look how beautiful and bright it is in a dark room. You've got your reds, your blues, your greens, your whites. But you can also project stars as well from this little area here. And so you can do just the stars or just the northern lights, or you can do them together, which looks absolutely beautiful. It will light up that whole room. Honestly, it's really fun for adults or for kids. I mean, I'm definitely an adult and I'm very fascinated by it. It looks so beautiful. You can also put it on a timer so that when, you kind of fall asleep to it, it will just auto shut off. It also has Bluetooth in here, so you can connect your speakers so you can have some nice soothing music, or you can kind of put it in a party mode if that's what you're looking for. It also acts as a white noise machine. It has 8 already white noise sounds inside the machine ready to go. It comes with a remote control, so you can control everything from here. And you need to plug it in by your USB. It does not come with the block. But other than that, this is an all-in-one super cool Galaxy and Star projector.